Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to end calls using power button on the Vivo Y200 4G. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now from here, just tap on system controls. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on system controls. Now from here, just make sure you enable power button and calls. Now from here, once you enable this feature and if you receive a call, you can end the call by pressing the power button. And this is how you can end calls using power button on the Vivo Y200 4G. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.